Good morning. It is the 4th day of my trip. 4 of them. 4 days. Had an amazing time last night. Right now I'm following Brent. We're actually going to some hiking trails. It's gonna be sweet. To the falls. Here are the falls. It's really cool. A lot of water. I've been studying it for a long time. A lot of water. But the coolest thing is how the water comes out like from beneath the foliage up there. It's like a cool sight. It's like out of the Jungle Book or Tarzan or something like that. But yeah, that's it. We made it. This place is dope. I like this. Although
it's either that or the bologna sandwich. I'd probably go for pizza if we didn't have pizza last night.
yeah.
Is the brisket cheesesteak pretty awesome?
It is really good.
It sounds good.
I was gonna cook one for.
Hopefully this brisket cheesesteak tastes better than it looks. We'll see. What's poppin'? Just got done hiking with Brent. He actually just left. Bye, Brent. See ya. And now I am gonna start my journey to Florida. It's a 12-hour drive and I am pooped. I made it to AutoZone. Lets pressure out of the, this is the old one. This is a new one. I don't really care. If this solves the problem, good. If it doesn't, then I know that it's not this. It is 2:20 a.m. I stopped briefly in Atlanta to get some gas. I'm 200 miles on that tank. I am somehow awake right now. I've been employing a variety of different activities in order to stay awake. I've also been keeping myself busy. I'm hitting the wall. I am hitting the wall. Pretty freaking close. Take a look. Not sure if you can see that line there, but that's the border. I'm coming up. I'm coming up on it. Yeah. Looks like I'm going to be passing through Vallequista, whatever the heck it's called. Valdosta. And hopefully there will be a rest stop or something in Florida, because I could use one. North Valdosta. So yeah, we'll see. See if I make it. See you in a bit. I'll be good. Doing some light bump into Mikey J. I don't think anyone's ever called him that. Anyways, it's now 3:30 a.m. Alright, so I'm driving into Florida right now. Just sitting here thinking like about this name, this American road, and I don't know, how blessed I am to be able to do this. How blessed I am that this car is still working, and how much I appreciate the opportunity that this country allows for to drive almost endlessly. I was just like thinking about the last time that I drove into Florida in this similar fashion. It's just an interesting story, and it's 3:30, so I figured I would share this story with you guys because I like it and I think it's interesting. So I have a friend, his name's Keith, and ironically, maybe not ironically, it might be because I'm going to see him, but I'm meeting up with Keith tomorrow in Florida. He is coming down because he just graduated from college. His dad started working at this place called Elmo, and he's been there for a long time. I'm not sure exactly how long. And then Keith started working there, or has done work there, and like has worked for them for multiple summers. Great company. It's such like a hometown Philly company, just so classic. Through my like friendship with Keith, I'd actually had done a little bit of work with Elmo, and so I was kind of already like an employee there, and they had a dilemma. They rented a 28-foot box truck, big box truck. They rented it in Florida to bring stuff from Florida up to Philadelphia. Problem is, they thought that they could rent it in Florida, drive it up to Pennsylvania, drop it off, and be good. Not true. The company wanted them to drive it up to Pennsylvania, drop their stuff off, and then drive the truck back down. Didn't realize that. They had a small problem. So they called me and asked if I would be interested in driving the truck from Philadelphia down to Florida. And I was like, yeah, like I'll do that. And I actually convinced Keith's dad, asked him if I could bring my, at the time, girlfriend. And he was like, okay. And she like wanted to drive from PA to Florida with me. I don't know. I would be driving and I would be like, you need to stay awake with me, because if you don't stay awake, I'm not going to be able to stay awake. Okay? Okay. I look over 5 minutes later, like knocked out, like no, non-responsive. I'm like, sweet. But that was the last time I drove into Florida in this kind of fashion, where it was just like, just straight bombing in from the top and just going south, like just booking it south. I pulled over into a rest area. I'm still like maybe 2 hours, so I'm gonna take an hour nap, then get up, get back at it. Now's a good stopping point. 2 hours isn't even that much. So, good night.